Hello guys, today I have this QR65 multimedia speakers, the latest speakers from Edifier brand. So let's check what we have inside the box and let's exchange my other Edifier speakers for this newest. Let's go. So first of all, inside the box you will have a stand for the speakers, so you don't need to order separate stands, which is awesome. This is lightweight aluminum stands with rubbed feet and all of that, so it will be perfect combination of the speakers and stands. And here you go, the speaker itself, super nice, black with very nice tactile effect. On the side you have a light effect control knob and volume and on off button, and you have very interesting chevron on the side. Also we have a quick guide, some clothes, and what is more important, set of cables, USB, power, and audio cables. But you never left me like a ghost you stay. There's nothing else worth thinking of when you find the one you love. No matter where you go. Okay guys, let's take a closer look how it works. So I install both of the speakers on the one and another side of my desk. Unfortunately, I'm not able to switch you, for example, music from YouTube because it will be copyrighted. So I will use music what I'm using for my videos from Adobe Premiere because I have a license for this. So let's just hear the sound. And obviously I can increase and decrease the sound volume. You heard from me. I'm still kicking around here in Tennessee. I heard you got a new place. I heard you got a new job. I heard you got a haircut and it looks real nice. You can mute, unmute. And what is interesting, you can also change the RGB effects, so it will be different effects based on the music, so it will shine or jump based on the rhythm of the music, which is cool, and you can select different patterns, so it will, you know, bring some atmosphere to your desktop, which is just awesome, really awesome. I'm first time seeing such perfect idea with multimedia speakers. When the world turns ugly, we turn inside. Try to find a good thing we can stand behind. And what is one more interesting thing and difference between these speakers and my previous Edifier speakers, that now I can connect this speaker to my two devices. I can use Bluetooth and connect to my MacBook, and I can use wired connection to my PC. So I will be able to use them with my both devices. Let's try this. So I can switch the mode connection to different mode, and I immediately can see them on my Mac. So I can connect and enjoy the music from my Mac, which is awesome. So this is from my Mac. voices from my Mac through Edifier.